Welding gave me a sense of purpose by really just showing me more of what's out there and kind of just changing what I know about the world, and honestly kind of helped me guide where I want to go in life, because I wasn't really sure what I want to pursue in college and if college was even for me. But now I know that if college isn't for me, I can fall back onto the trades I've learned in this class. One certification I got in this program was the whole CAT certification. It's an industry standard test. We have to go through a whole written weld procedure and we have to follow that. I mean, it's pretty hard. We did a bunch of test run and everything, just trying to get our welds right. We had to adjust different settings than to what we're used to. It's dual shield and we're used to just normal short arc. It was a big change and it was really something we had to persevere through. And not everyone got the certification. I'm very proud I got it. I can go directly out of high school, get a job if I find out college isn't for me. I'm a champion varsity basketball player. We have a lot of teamwork on the court, and then coming in here, it's just like that. We have to have teamwork. We face adversity on the court. We face adversity here. Probably more so here than we do on the court, honestly. Like something goes wrong. I mean, it's real money we're dealing with. It's not just a game. So I'm Nick. I'm a senior at Champion High School, and I'm a proud member of Vick Welding Nation.